Okay, now that we've got our pork loin already nicely browned, as you can see, turn off the stove at that point. We want to transfer this into a baking dish. I'm going to use an aluminum dish now. It's if you have your favorite aluminum or any other type of baking dish that you like, you can put it in that. I like this because it's no muss, no fuss. You can just toss this, recycle it, or whatever. Take this off. And what we're going to do is, ultimately, we're going to put this in the oven right now. Ultimately, what we want is an internal temperature originally of about 140 degrees. It will end up being 160 at the end after the cooking process, but we're going to be adding more ingredients to this, as you can see. So this is a little thermometer that we use and just put right in the roast. You want to put it in the thickest part, and that will monitor what the cooking temperature is right there at the thickest part of the meat. But ultimately, as I say, we want 160 degrees. Okay, for this size roast, which I said is about 4.5 pounds, you want to put it in the oven now for about 45 minutes. You want to keep an eye on it, but I think that's going to be plenty for this because there's going to be another part of the cooking process. So just put that right in there like that, and then it goes.